Good morning, students. Today I am going to take the second chapter, Exponents and Powers. Here we know that if you write A itself in n times, A into A into A into etc. n times, we can say that means etc. n times. We can write it as A raised to n, or if you write 3 2 times, 3 into 3, in the exponential form we can write 3 square, 3 2 times. Same way, if you write 3 into 3 into 3, what's the answer? 3 raised to 4. And here the general form is A raised to n, means A is called the base and n is called the index or exponent. Understand? Here, what about the second case? The second case, 3 is the base and 2 is the exponent. That means we write 3 2 times. What about this? 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 cube. Therefore, 3 is the base and this 3 is the exponent. Understand? Now, I am going to write the laws of exponents. You already studied this topic in standard 7, laws of exponents. The first one is A raised to m into A raised to n is A raised to m plus n. A raised to m into A raised to n is A raised to m plus n. I will give you one example. 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3. Say the answer. 2 raised to 2 is the same base. Therefore, 2 raised to 5 plus 3. Write this step also. 5 plus 3. What is 2 raised to 5 plus 3? 2 raised to 8. Then another example, 3 by 5 is a rational number. 3 by 5 raised to 8 into 3 by 5 raised to 2. What is the answer? Here in both the cases, what is the base? 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Therefore, what is the answer? 3 by 5 the whole raised to 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? That is equal to 3 by 5 the whole raised to 10. Another example, right? 3 raised to 9 into 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 9 into 3 raised to 3. Say the answer. 3 raised to 9 plus 3. What is 3 raised to 9 plus 3? That is 12. 3 raised to 12. Another one is 7 raised to minus 2 plus into 7 raised to minus 3. 7 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to minus 3. What's the answer? 7 raised to minus 2 plus minus 3. If both the numbers are negative, add and put the same sign, isn't it? Minus 2 plus minus 3. Therefore, what is the answer? 7 raised to minus 5. Another example, 2 by 5 the whole raised to minus 8 into 2 by 5 the whole raised to minus 3. What's the answer? The base is 2 by 5, then minus 8 plus minus 3. Both the numbers are negative. Add minus 8 plus minus 3 is minus 11. Understand? That's the first property. What's the first property? A raised to m into A raised to n is A raised to m plus n. This is the second property. What's the second property? A raised to m by A raised to n is A raised to m minus n. A raised to m by A raised to n is A raised to m minus n. Example, 7 raised to 8 divided by 7 raised to 2. What's the base here? 7 is the base. Therefore, what is, if it is division is the operation, 7 raised to 8 minus 2. What is 7 raised to 8 minus 2? That is 7 raised to 6. Another example, 2 by 7 the whole raised to 5 divided by 2 by 7 the whole raised to 3. What's the answer? Here the base, both the base are 2 by 7. Therefore, 2 by 7 the whole raised to 5 minus 3. Understand? One more example. 8 raised to 5 divided by 8 raised to minus 2. Understand? 8 raised to 5 by 8 raised to minus 2. Can you say the answer? 8 raised to 5 is the first answer. In the formula, there is one minus. Then minus 2. Is it clear? 8 raised to 5 by 8 raised to minus 2 is 8 raised to 5 minus minus 2. What is 5 minus minus 2? 8 raised to 5 plus 2. That is equal to 8 raised to 7. I will give one more example same time. 7 raised to 6 by 7 raised to minus 4. Look here. When you convert a negative sign from the denominator to the numerator, change the sign. Actually, this is 7 raised to 6. When you convert this minus 4, that comes in the numerator, that changes to plus 4. Actually, minus 4. Therefore, what is the answer? 7 raised to 6 plus 4 is 7 raised to 10. Understand? One more example. 1 by 4 raised to 5 divided by 1 by 4 raised to 2. Say the answer. 1 by 4 raised to 5 minus 2. What is that? 5 raised to 1 by 4 raised to 3. Then say the answer. 2 by 7 the whole raised to 9 by 2 by 7 the whole raised to minus 6. Division means 2 by 7 the whole raised to 9. That this is in the denominator, minus 6, that comes in the numerator, changes to plus, minus 6, that is plus 6. Therefore, what is the answer? 2 by 7 the whole raised to 15. Listen. Now the third property. Third property is a raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. What's the third property? A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. What's the example? Example. 3 raised to 5, the whole raised to 3. What's the answer? 3 raised to 5 into 3. Understand? Not 5 plus 3 or 5 minus 3. 5 into 3 you can directly write as 15. 3 raised to 15. Then 7 raised to 2, the whole raised to 4. Say the answer. 7 raised to 2 fours are 8. 1 by 4 the whole square. The whole raised to 5. 1 by 4 all square. The whole raised to 5. What is the answer? 1 by 4 is the base. The whole raised to 5 twos are 10. Another example. 3 raised to minus 5 the whole raised to 2. What's the answer? 3 raised to minus 5 the whole raised to 2. 3 raised to minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. 3 raised to minus 10. Understand? Now another example, listen here. 2 raised to minus 5 into 2 minus 3. 2 raised to minus 5 the whole raised to minus 3. What's the answer? 2 raised to Minus 5 into minus 3, minus into minus changes to plus. 5 3s are 15. Therefore, the answer is 2 raised to 15. 3 by 6 or 3 by 5, the whole raised to 2. The whole raised to 7. That's the answer. 3 by 5, the whole raised to 14. Listen. Next is, okay. Next problem. Question number 6-1. 2 by 3, the whole square raised to 3 into 2 by 3 raised to minus 8 into 3 raised to minus 2 into 1 by 9. Look at your textbook, question number 6-1. Now, 2 by 3, the whole raised to 2 3s are 6 into the same 2 by 3 raised to minus 8 into 3 raised to minus 2 by, how can you write 9 in the exponential form? 9 means 3 square. Understand that line? Now, here the two bases are 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Therefore, 2 by 3 raised to 6 minus 8. 6 plus minus 8 means minus 2. 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 into a raised to m by a raised to n. That is 3 raised to minus 2. The denominator 2 that comes in the numerator changes to minus 2. Therefore, the first one 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 into, the second one is 3 raised to minus 4. 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 into 3 raised to minus 4. Therefore, here 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 means we can write in the positive exponents as 3 by 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to minus 4. Now, splitting the bracket, 3 by 2 or 3 square. Look here, we can write this as 3 square by 2 square into 3 raised to minus 4. Understand? That is 3 square. 2 a raised to m into a raised to n is 3 square into 3 raised to minus is 3 raised to minus 2 by 2 square. 3 raised to minus 2 by 2 square. 3 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 3 square into 2 square. 1 by 3 square into 2 square. What is 1 by 3 square? 9. 1 by 2 square 4. Therefore, the final answer 1 by 36. Final answer 1 by 36. Listen. Next problem. Next problem. 6D part. Minus 4 raised to 3 into minus 3 raised to 2 by minus 4 raised to 5 into minus 3 raised to 3. Now, here the base minus 4, the denominator base minus 4, we combine that together. Minus 4 raised to 3 minus 5 into the second one minus 3, therefore minus 3 raised to 2 minus 3. Now, minus 4 raised to 3 minus 5 is minus 2 into minus 3 raised to minus 1. Here the exponents are negative, therefore we can write 1 by minus 4, no change, that minus 4, we only change the sign of the exponent. 1 by minus 4 the whole square into 1 by minus 3 the whole raised to 1. What is 1 by minus 4 the whole square means? Minus 4 into minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 6 plus 16. 1 by 16 into minus 3 raised to 1 means minus 3. Therefore, the final answer 1 by minus 48 or minus 1 by 48. Both are same. 1 by minus 48 or minus 1 by 48. Then 6E. Question number 6E. Minus 3 by 5 the whole raised to 7 into minus 3 by 5 the whole raised to minus 7 by minus 4 by 7 the whole raised to 4 into minus 4 by 7 the whole raised to 1. Then taking the numerator part, 7 plus minus 7, that is 7 minus 7. What is 7 minus 7? 0. Any number raised to 0? 1. Therefore, 1 by minus 3 by 5 the whole raised to 7 minus 7 by minus 4 by 7 the whole raised to 4 plus 1, that is 5. The numerator term total 1, Therefore 1 by minus 4 by 7 the whole raised to 5. That is 1 by a, we can write a raised to minus n. Therefore minus 4 by 7 the whole raised to minus 5, or 1 by minus 4 by 7 the whole raised to 5. Both the answers are correct.